solve the equation for x, right? Now variable term here, 7x is variable term and 5 is constant term. Here minus 5 is present and 2x is also variable term. So as the variable is available on both the sides of the equation, we have to take all the variable terms one side, constant terms another side. Generally students what will do is they will add or subtract these two numbers 7 and 5. See, there is no relation between this 7 and this 5. What do you mean by 7x? 7x means you have learnt already x plus x plus x plus x plus 1 2 3 4 5 plus x is equal to 7x. Means x is added 7 times. 7, it is 7 times x. It is 2 times x. So for this 7 and this for this constant 5 there is no relation. You should not add or subtract them. This is a constant term and this is a variable term, right? So that is why first of all let us write 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. Now let us bring this, let us take this 7x to the right side. You observe, when you take this 7x on the other side, what is remaining here? Minus 5. You should not forget this sign. Minus 5 is equal to, so whatever is there on the right equals under equals first of all, right? So whatever is available here you write that also. Now whatever you are taking other side, 7x, what is the symbol before 7x? It is plus, no symbol is there, so it is 7x. So right, when you are taking this other side you write it as minus 7x, right? Simplifying, minus 5 as it is, equals under equals 2x minus 7x as we discussed here. 2x means x plus x. Now write minus 7x, minus 7x means minus x, minus x, minus x, minus x, minus x. 5 we have written minus x, minus x. So plus x minus x cancel, plus x minus x cancel. So how many x's will remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but they are minus x's, right? Minus x, minus x. How many are there? 5 are there, no? So that is why this will be minus 5x. This you should not do always. You remember that, right? 2x minus 7x. You have to do that in mind. Implies minus 5 is equal to, now minus 5 times x is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to minus 5 times x. So here there is into here, right? 5 times x. How do you read this? Minus 5 times x. Times means into, right? So that is why when you take this other side, minus 5, you have to bring along with the symbol. It is minus 5 times x, right? So you have to write again right here, equals under equals. If you take minus 5 on the other side, what will remain here? X. So we need to calculate x value only. So what is available here on the other side? Minus 5, right? As this. What are you bringing here? Minus 5. Which operation is here? Into. Other side will divide. Minus 5 minus 5 how much? 1. Minus minus gets cancelled. 5 and 5 is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 1, right? Now let's write the question once again. 5x minus 12 equals 2x minus 6, right? So now 5x is variable term, 12 is constant term, 2x is variable term, minus 6 is constant term. Here you have to remember minus 12 minus 6, you should not confuse in there. Now all the variable terms generally will be taken to the left side, all the constant terms will be taken to the right side, but it is not necessary, right? Now what you do is write equals under equals. Now if you take this constant term along with its symbol minus 12 to the right side, if you are taking that, what will remain here? 5x. Write 5x as it is, right? Now as we discussed here, we have to take 2x to the left side. Now, if you take 2x on the other side, what will remain here? Minus 6. If you take 2x to the left side, what will remain here on the left side? Minus 6, right? Minus 6 as it is. Now, what you are taking, you write now. So 2x on the left side. What is the symbol of 2x? Plus. So right here minus 2x, right? Now minus 12, when it goes to the right side, it will become plus 12, right? So if you observe, plus 2x became minus 2x, minus 12 became plus 12, right? So that is why when you are taking from one side to other side, now from after this you write blindly. You start, right? So if you are writing any term other side, you change its symbol. That's it, right? Now 5x minus 2x. As we discussed previously, 5x means x plus x plus x plus x plus x. How many times? 5 times, right? 2x means minus x, right? So now for this x, minus x cancel. For this plus x, minus x is cancelled. So what remained? Plus x plus x plus x. So plus 3x is remained. Implies plus 3x equals under equals minus 6 plus 12. So you consider like if you have 12 plus 12, you have considered as you have 12 rupees, and minus 6 you consider as it as a borrow, right? So then you have a borrow of 6 rupees. From the 12 whatever you have, you can clear this borrow, right? If you clear this borrow, you will remain with again 6 rupees plus 6, right? Isn't it? No, you write plus symbol. Implies x is equal to here 3 and the x. There is operation into 3 times x. You are calculating x value, means you have to take 3 other side. So again write equals under equals x as it is and other side as it is. Now what are you bringing? 3 bringing on the other side. So here with x 3 is in multiplication. So other side will become division, right? It is very simple. If you by heart the problems, it will become difficult. 3 times number is 6. What is that number? It will be 2. Should get 2 here, right? So now 6 by 3. Right? 6 by 3 is 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Right? Here 7p is variable term, minus 3 is constant term. 3p is variable term, plus 8 is constant term. So let us write the question once again. 7p minus 3 equals 3p plus 8. We will take this 3p to the left side and minus 3 to the right side. So write equals under equals. So you are taking this minus to the right side, minus 3 to the right side. So if you take minus 3 to the right side, what will remain here? 7p. Write 7p as it is. This you don't write as you are taking this to other side. Now you have to bring 3p to the left side. What is the symbol of 3p? Place there, no? So you have to write here minus 3p. Now you brought here 3p to the right side, right? So if you take 3p other side, what will remain here? 8, right, as it is. Now you are taking this 3 to the other side, right? Will become plus 3. So if you observe this for some time. 3p plus 3p on the other side, minus 3p. Minus 3 the left side became plus 3 on the right side. That's it. You observe it. Just you change the symbol, right? Variable terms. 7p as it is here, plus 3p, minus 3p. Plus 3p on the right side is minus 3p on the left side, plus 8 as it is, which is on the right side. Both the right side constant. Minus 3p on the left, minus 3 on the left side, plus 3 on the right side. Just they will change their symbols when they are going from one side to other side. 7p minus 3p. 7p means, as I discussed, 7p means p plus p plus p plus p plus p plus p plus p. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more p. Totally 7 p's. Minus 3p means, right, minus p minus p minus p means from this 7p you have to remove 3 p's. It will remain. Plus 4 p's will remain. So that is why you should not do this here. Right? So implies you should do this in mind. So this is implies 4p. Next time you think 7 p's are there, 3 p's remove from that. Subtraction means removing. So 4p is equal to 11. 8 plus 3 is 11, right? You learned up to 5th class, so you should not confuse that. Therefore p. Now what you do, we have to calculate p value. What equals under equals. Whatever is on the other side, write as it is. Now this 4 you have to take on the other side. It is on the left side. Here operation is into. If it goes other side, will become division. Right? So p is equal to 11 by 4. Here 8m is variable term, 9 is constant term, plus 9. 7m is variable term and plus 8 is constant term. You should not add 8 and 9. Right? So 8m is variable term, 9 is constant term. There is no relation between this 8 and 9, right? So this is meaning is different here. So now what you do, 7m we have to take to the left side, 9 we should take to the right side. So write equals under equals. So whatever you are taking, exchanging the places, write them later. If you take 9 to the right side, what will remain here? First of all, write that 8m. What you are bringing from this side? 7m, this side. So remaining is 8. You write as it is. Now, whatever you are bringing now, write down. 7m will become plus 7m. You write as minus 7m. Here 7m on the right side. You are writing on the left side. So write minus 7m. Right? Minus 7m. Now, you wrote as it is. Now you are taking 9 from left to right. So it is on the left side. Right? It will become what? Minus 9. Plus 9 on the left side will become minus 9 on the right side. Implies 8m minus 7m is, as we discussed, 8m means m, 8 m's are there. From that remove 7 m's. So from 8 m's you can remove 7 m's. You will remain with 1 m, right? So that is what 1 m. 1 m means simply 1 m. 1 route means what? There is m, 1 m is there. No need to write 1 again. Visible now 1 m. If there is 2, write 2 m's, right? 8 minus 9 is minus 1. It is very, very simple problem, right? Next one, 5th one. 5th one. 7z plus 13. 7z plus 13 equals 2z plus 4, right? Now, it is also very simple. Write equals under equals. So 13 to the right side, 2z to the left side. So write 7z as it is, 4 as it is. We are not changing their places, right? Now 2z from right to left, 2z make it as minus 2z, plus 2z will become minus 2z on the left side. Now plus 13 on the left side will become minus 13 on the right side, right? So operation will change. Plus will say, if you observe, 2z became minus 2z, plus 13 became minus 13, right? So implies 7z minus 2z means what again? Z, 7 z's are there. From that subtract, remove 2 z's. So from 7 z's, if you remove 2 z's, how many will remain? 5 z's remain. Means 5 times z. Here 7 times z, 2 times z. 5z equals to 4 minus 13. 4 minus 13 is minus 9. Right? It means again, Don't confuse in subtractions. 4 plus, as we discussed previously, plus 4 means you have 4 rupees with you. From that you have to remove 9 rupees or take away or give to anyone 30 rupees. Take away. Subtraction means take away or to give to anyone. Remove. If you have 4 rupees, how can you give to someone 13 rupees? Right? It is possible only when you borrow 9 rupees. Borrowing in our case will be minus 9, right? Right? So 4 minus 13 is minus 9. Right? From 4 you cannot take 13. You cannot remove 13. If you take bar of 9 from others, then you will have 13. Then you can remove 13. That is why. So it is minus 9, or else you simply remember small number minus big number, you will get a negative number. Why I am saying this for a long time is our students will make mistake here itself. My students. So now we need z value. Along with this z there is 5. And this is in operation multiplication with z. There is no operation here. 5z means there is no operation. Means it is 5 times z. Means 5 into z. Right? So on the other side you write as it is minus 9. It is in multiplication. So other side it will become division. It is on the left side. It is on the right side now. It will become 5. Therefore z is equal to minus 9 by 5. Right? Sixth one. 9y. Why I am saying all the problems is so you should not commit mistakes. So and if you see just the problems, you won't get anything. You write your own problems and practice. You can write like this. Here 9y, make it 6y, 15 there no. You write some 20 or 13. Change these numbers also. You can practice like this. You practice like that. For every problem, you write a problem and you practice. Then it will be easy for you. Right? So now write equals under equals, variable terms left side, constant terms on the right side. So write 9y, variable term on the left side, minus 1, right? Minus 1. Generally you will forget this symbol, minus 1, right? After writing this, now what you are taking, bring them, take them. So 15y is on the right side now. So you are taking it to the left side. Write it as minus 15y. Plus 5 is there now. Write it as plus 5 on the left side. So when you take it to the right side, it will become minus 5. Right? So implies. What does it mean? There are 9 y's are there. Right? Means y 9 times there. 1 plus y 9 times, right? Plus y, plus y, plus y, plus y, plus y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now minus 15, minus y, minus y, minus y, minus y, minus y. We have 15 times. Think like that. So now for every y, for every plus y, minus y gets cancelled, right? So plus for plus 9 y's, minus 9 y's gets cancelled. What will remain here? So if 9 from 15, if 9 goes, how many will remain? Minus 6 y's will remain, isn't it? Minus y, minus y, minus y, minus y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 y's will remain. So nothing but all will have minus symbol. That is why it will be minus 6y. Same like that. Same like previously we discussed it. Small number minus big number is minus number, negative number. So 9 minus 15 is minus 6y is equal to minus 6, right? Now next, we need the value of y. Along with y there is minus 6. Don't think that it is in minus, means it is, don't consider this as plus. If you go, as I said, don't write plus. So here operation is multiplication, but y into minus 6, minus 6 times y, isn't it? Minus 6 times, or 6 times minus y. So it is minus 6 times y. So on the other side minus 6 is there, no, write as it is. So we need y value, equals under equals, whatever is on the other side write as it is. Now what you are taking from left to right, minus 6. into is there, no, will become division. Minus 6 by minus 6, how much? 1. Minus 6 once, minus 6, right? Always same number by same number is 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1, right? So now we got a new style, right? So now brackets are there, right? So 5 after there is no symbol, right? There is no symbol means it means 5 times the bracket, right? 5 times the bracket, right? So 5 times, is this 5 times, is it for x, is it for 2? No, they are saying that multiply the value in the bracket with 5, isn't it? So the int, observe carefully here, this into is for the bracket, not for x or minus 2 individually, right? It is for both into. So that is why you should give this 5 to both. That is called distribution. Whatever the numbers are there in the bracket, you have to distribute this multiplication to all the numbers inside the bracket, because they have given bracket means this multiplication is for the entire number inside the bracket. Means if there are 2 terms, you have to give that to the 2 terms, right? That is why it will become 5 into x. So symbols you have to observe, plus 5 plus x. Plus 5 into plus x is 5x. Now plus 5 into minus 2 is minus. Plus into minus is minus. 5 to 10 is equal to. So sorry, I did not write this. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into. Here again let me write 3x plus 4 is equal to implies symbol. Now it is like the problems we have solved until now, right? Now equals under equals, variable terms here itself, constant or minus 10 here itself on the left side or on the right side. Now 5x you are taking on the left side, so it will become minus 5x, plus 4 is on the left side, you write constant term on the right side, minus 4 implies 3x minus 5x. 3x is x plus x plus x minus x minus x minus x 5 times. So plus 3x minus 3x cancel. So minus 2x will remain, no? It is minus 2x is equal to minus 10 minus 4, right? When both have the same symbol, it means that from minus 10 subtract 4, right? From minus 10 subtract 4. Or else simply, when there are two same symbols, you add them. There is no into here. Don't consider into. Minus, generally students will say minus into minus. No minus. Is there any into here? No, there is no multiplication. So when you see two numbers side by side with same symbol, if there are two positives, you will add. If there are two negatives, you add. And keep the negative symbol. Minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14, right? You think, right? Therefore, now again we need x value. Along with x there is minus 2. Minus 2 is in operation of into. It is minus 2 times x, right? 2 times minus 2 times x. So equals under equals, minus 14 on the right side as it is. Now minus 2 you are taking from left to right. So write minus 2 on the right side in the denominator. So minus 2 minus minus with say gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2 sevens, 14. So therefore x value is 7. Right? So let us complete one more problem and let's give break for the day. Remaining problems in the next session. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. Right? So same again. Here 3, it means that there is no symbol here. If there is no symbol, you have to consider as into 3 into t minus 3 equals 5 into 2t minus 1. Right? Now, as we discussed in the previous problem, this into is into, they are saying that into is for the bracket. But in bracket there are two numbers. Means you have to distribute this multiplication to all the numbers inside the bracket. Right? So 3 into, it is not t. You know already, if it is 3 into t, it should be like this, 3 into t. Not there won't be any bracket. Right? So as there is bracket, so we have to distribute this to this. So that is why we will just distribute, right? So symbol of 3 is plus. Symbol of t is also plus. So 3 in plus into plus is plus. 3 into t. Now plus into minus is minus. 3 3 is 9, right? Let us write 3 into 3. We are distributing this 3 into to all the terms inside the bracket, right? So 3 into this number, 3 into this number. Now, right, same, we distribute this 5 into to both the numbers inside. So plus 5 plus 2t. So plus into plus is plus 2t. Now plus into minus is minus 5 into 1. We have distributed this 5 into to both the numbers, right? Isn't it? 5 into we have given to 1, we have also given to 2. Right? So 3 into t is 3t. 3 times t minus 9 equals 5 into 2 into t. Now you may get doubt here. Can you multiply these to 5 into 2? Can you multiply them? So it is like, it is called 2 times t. So it is 5 times 2 times t. So by property of association, this is also same as 5 into 2 times t. Nothing but 10 times t. Right? So this is 10 times t means 10t directly, right? Minus 5. Now again, equals under equals. Variable terms on the left side, constant term here on the right side. 10t from right to left will become minus 10t. Minus 9 from left to right will become plus 9. And just use, when you are changing their places, you write from left to right, right left, just change their symbols. So 3t minus 10t. 3t minus 10t means 3t. T plus t plus t plus t. 3t is minus 10t. Minus t minus t minus t minus t 10 times. So from 3t's plus 3t's minus 3t's will get cancelled. How many will remain? Minus 70 will remain. Minus 70. Minus 70 means minus 7 times t. Minus 5 plus 9 is here plus 4, right? No, we need t value. Along with t there is minus 7 and this is in operation multiplication with t. So you write on the other side whatever is there, you write it as it is plus 4. This minus 7 you are taking from left to right side. It is in operation into, so write in denominator. 4 by minus 7. So 4 by minus 7 is, you can write it as, you can write minus symbol anywhere, minus 4 by 7. Right? Thanks for watching.